More room. More power. More luxury. More Civic. For less than you think. Ask your Honda dealer about the full line of new Civics. He'll tell you more.
As you might have seen in our very first YouTube video, we took that Honda Civic and made it garbage. Well, it still kind of runs. It's like a bike or a four-wheeler. We just need to bump start it. Once we get started, we can ride it one last time before we put it on a trailer, say goodbye, and get it crushed. Oh, here we go. Ground, gravity. Secure. And this has fuel.
Oh, she got a little bit of oil.
It has fuel. Oh,
We filled it up in 91.
Alright, so we just go into it itself?
Yeah, so hop in, Ethan, and start
So
going.
if you pop
until-
it out of gear, are you just gonna drive
Am
it?
I gonna be in it? I don't want to get soaked with that water.
If you go fast enough, it'll just go fast.
That's gonna jump on the drive.
Skadoosh! No, it'd be good. It'd be good.
Why don't you drive it out?
No, it's your. The Civic was your thing.
No.
Ethan, look. When you get going, Ethan,
Yeah, you'll be good. It's got a lift.
Alright, should we all lift up on it so we dump it off?
Yeah, maybe.
Give me air compressor.
Yeah,
Vacuum?
Milwaukee blower?
Oh yeah, I'll get that. Yeah, with Milwaukee.
As hard as you can.
Oh my word, yes. super dusty, and you were coming. I couldn't see. I thought you were gonna like run straight into the pivot.
It was dying for like a solid lap. I thought it was just gonna die, and it just kept going. Oh,
I thought Pittman nearly do it.
I know. I was leaving ruts, wasn't I?
Oh my word!
It was getting biting in. You had really good traction.
When you started going, it just took off. Because I heard it. It sounded like it was.
It was like,
and then it just went for it.
Oh my
Once that gas hit the cylinder.
I guess.
Check the oil. Have you pulled the dipstick yet?
It's gonna be dust.
Here, let me.
Ooh, it's steaming.
Our dirt intake.
Hey,
right
we
here.
still have
The mud
a radiator on it, right?
Yeah, it was radiating.
Bluetooth radiator.
That's that new mod.
Cracked eggs.
Yeah. Can we put 2 whole dozen in there?
I'm in there. Oh my goodness.
Smells like breakfast.
Yeah, we gotta save those tires.
Yeah.
100%. Those are going on the
This thing will Go
minivan.
another round. Like there's no
Yeah,
rod
just
sticking out of the
let
box.
let it sit and then see if we can push it again. Let's
Yeah,
find that
let's find that
GoPro.
Let's take a lap for the GoPro.
Yeah, I'm not surprised that fell off. It was way too.
We'll do better next time.
Oh no way!
Yo, guys, I found it! I got it!
Sweet.
Oh my word! Real not good! Oh my word! Good grief! Still runs, still drives, still brakes, still
Does
shifts.
your door work? Spilling a tiny bit of oil.
Nah, we're good. We're good. If it leaks oil, it's got oil. God, I thought we were gonna get rid of this thing. I thought we were gonna blow it up.
Well, it turns out the Honda really knows, they really know what they're doing. The Honda Civic is a very reliable car. If you're looking for a school car that will survive literally anything, get a Honda Civic.
And not even an excavator can kill this beast. We'll see you guys in the next one.